Every day, life presents uncertainties, an unexpected illness, a job loss, or even a sudden business downturn. The question is, how prepared are we to handle this risk? And more importantly, how do we do so in ways that are ethical, transparent, and in line with our values? Hello and welcome to Islamic Finance Weekly. I am Rahma Say Muhammad. In non-interest finance, risk management isn't about transferring your burden to another party or profiting from uncertainty. It is about sharing the risk collectively, ensuring that when one person falls, others help them rise again. That's where concepts like Takaful, Mudaraba, and Musharaka come in. Contractor models that help people manage risk through cooperation and fairness, not interest or speculation. To feel the pulse of public awareness on this subject, we began with a Vox Pop segment asking everyday Nigerians how they prepare for life's uncertainties and what financial protection means to them. Some said they rely on personal savings or family support when challenges arise. A few mentioned they use conventional insurance, though many admitted they're not sure how it really works. But when asked if they would consider a system based on mutual help, one without interest or exploitation, most people said yes. Those honest voices reflect a growing desire for fairness in the community with ethical financial dealings. It also shows that awareness about non-interest financial protection is still developing, and that's exactly where Takaful plays a pivotal role.
Yes, of course, I will.
Yes, I will, but it also depends on the percentage they're taking, of course. Yes, I will be.
But if they bear the risk with you, whether or not the business, both parties stand to benefit from it.
I'm approaching this thing from the mindset of business. I don't care. I mean, no offense. I don't care if it's Islamic or Christian or Jewish bank. As long as I can cite opportunities there that can benefit me, I'll go for it.
If there's no any burden on it, it's bearable and acceptable.
It depends on that. The burden alone cannot be felt on you. But rest when they carry every burden on you, that will be felt on you.
To further explore this, we sat down with the Managing Director of Noor Takaful Insurance Limited, Mr. Rilwan Sunmonu, who shed more light on how risk management works within the framework of non-interest finance. Mr. Sunmonu explained that Takaful is not just an alternative to conventional insurance, it is a complete rethinking of how financial protection should serve people. It operates on the principle of ta'awun or mutual assistance, where participants contribute to a shared pool that provides support when anyone faces loss. He emphasized that in Takaful, transparency and trust are paramount. Participants know how their contributions are managed and surpluses are shared. He emphasized that in Takaful, transparency and trust are paramount. Participants know their contributions are managed and surpluses are shared. According to him, this strengthens social bonds while offering real financial stability, especially for individuals and SMEs who often have no safety net. Mr. Sumano also pointed out that awareness remains a key challenge. He clarified that Takaful is open to everyone seeking ethical protection built on fairness and cooperation, values that resonate across faith. He further noted that Noor Takaful expanding its reach through digital platforms and community education, ensuring that more people, whether in urban centers or rural areas, can easily access coverage that truly aligns with their values.
A typical insurance company will always print their policy documents in English. Who says we cannot print our policy documents in traditional languages? Hausa, Igbo, so that you can easily communicate with the community you are dealing with. As an organization, Utagafu, this is one of the aspects that we're actually looking at. I remember we had a roadshow in Kano 2 years ago. These are some of the feedback that we got from that event. That look, it is important that we communicate with people in the language that they understand. So when you communicate to them in a language that they understand, we need to reduce the level of technical terms that we have in our policy documents. That's number one. It's also important that we reduce the volume of those pages that we have. A one-page document is enough to capture the terms, conditions of a policy document so that people would understand at a glance what cover they are taking up, what exclusions and exceptions are on that cover.
When we connect what the public shared in our Vox Pop with the insight from Noor Takaful's leadership, one clear message stands out. Risk management and financial protection and non-interest finance are about people, not profit. They're about creating systems that don't abandon you when you need help the most and building financial habits that empower communities to recover and grow together. So as we wrap up this edition, remember, risk is inevitable, but how we respond to it defines us. And through non-interest finance, we can respond with responsibility, fairness, and faith. And with that, I say, don't forget, keep stay to us next week on the program. Follow us on all of our social media platforms displayed on the screen. Thank you for watching, and I am Rahma Say Muhammad.